Unit 16, Recreation, Camping. The Appalachian Trail is a 2,174-mile trail in the U.S. It starts in Maine and goes all the way to Georgia. Some people hike a small part of the trail for a day. Others hike longer portions of the trail. These hikers usually bring a backpack, a tent, and a sleeping bag, along with other camping equipment like a trail map, a compass, a water bottle, and a pocket knife. Hiking the whole trail takes an entire season. 1. A compass. 2. A rock climber. 3. A horseback rider. 4. A hiker. 5. A fishing pole. 6. A fisherman. 7. A rowboat. 8. A canoe. 9. A paddle. 10. A raft. 11. A backpack. 12. A backpacker. 13. A water bottle. 14. A hiking trail. 15. A camping stove. 16. A lantern. 17. A rope. 18. A trail map. 19. A canteen. 20. Binoculars. 21. A pocket knife. 22. Insect repellent. 23. Matches. 24. A tent. 25. A sleeping bag. 26. An air mattress. 27. A camper. 28. A campfire. 29. Camp. 30. Fish. 31. Hike.